Hello, it's Deborah from the attic, and today I'm here to show you my journal spread for the month of May. If you're new here, there are over 400 videos on my channel for you to go and explore. If you're interested particularly in journaling, I've got over 100 videos all about journaling, how to make journals, how to use them, what to put in them, where to collect goodies to make them, all on a playlist, so please go and check out that. And of course, if you're a returning friend, welcome back. So before I take you through my layout for May, let me just spin you back to April. My journal isn't just about journaling day-to-day activities, it's also my log of my drawing practice throughout 2022. That's why I set it up. So April was all about drawing plants in pots, and I also made a video to show you how you can draw these. I called it doodle drawing because it is just doodles, and I'll show you how easy it is, and I'll provide a link to that video up there. And here are a couple of the drawings that I did during the month of April. I did this round circle of very, very simple flowers. Now, if you'd be interested in me doing a doodle drawing video showing you how to do this sort of thing, just let me know in the comments below and I'll get on to that. This was just a random sketch. It's springtime in France here, and there's lots of flowers and blossoms coming out and lavender's beginning to pop out, and I wanted to capture that feeling of springtime things happening. Then I have 3 pages of designs. Now, these first 2 pages are designs for some metalwork, some copper work and soft soldering. So I have those designs ready. I've transferred them from what I see in my brain to paper, which is always a great way to start. And then this is the 3rd design, and this little image here you might recognise if you looked at my doodle drawing buildings video. I'll provide a link to that up there, because these are called pigeonniers, and they were like little skinny tall pigeon houses, and you see so many of them in this area of the southern Dordogne, and they're a very common thing to see in the landscape. I've got a page ready for my gallery of photographs when I've finished my month, and that brings us readily to May. So in May, I wanted to capture the blossom. Now, this is from a photograph of an apple tree that we have in our garden that was covered in blossom, and I've taken that photograph and I've used it as a reference to try and create a very simple but effective branch of blossom. And this blossom is going to be my next doodle draw video. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, watch out next Friday, because that's when that video will be posted, and I'll take you step by step through the easiest way I can find to make these lovely blossoms and to give them this appearance of going in all different directions, and some facing this way and some facing that way, and I'll show you exactly how to do all of that. And I'll show you different ways that you can use it. So this is on quite a long branch, so this would fill a whole page. But if you have a smaller space to fill, I'll show you how to do that as well. Or if you just want to create some colour and interest in a corner of your journal, I'll show you that too. My journal planning is so very, very simple. I have a list of the dates and the days for May down one side here, and I just log anything coming up, any birthdays or anything like that, any public holidays, because I really need to know that for France, because everything closes and it's quite difficult to, if you needed milk, you'd have to rush out and get some. And then on this page I have, as usual, I have a little section for projects, a little section for design ideas and for my social media, and I've added a little border of blossom along the bottom, and that is it, because my journal is designed to be simple. I don't really need to keep complex trackers and things like that. I just like to know what's happening when, and if I have an idea, rather than write it on a piece of paper and lose that piece of paper, I like to have somewhere that I can log it. And then I always leave the rest of the month completely blank, ready for my drawing, because my journal I've designed in order to capture drawings and try and make sure that I draw frequently and regularly throughout 2022. We're nearly in May and it's working so far. Happy thumbs. So that is it for my May planner. Do look out for the doodle drawing video, which will be coming up next Friday. And in the meantime, I'm going to say thank you very much, as always, for watching. And until we meet again, stay safe and take care.